Just keep on writing it very fast. Clear in there? A normal variable x has following probability density function. First of all, we'll have to convert it in the order to obtain mu and sigma. So write down probability density function of normal distribution is given by this. We had written in the properties in the summary 1 upon sigma root 2 pi into e raised to minus 1 by 2 x minus mu upon sigma whole square. Okay. Now you are given with the function 1 upon root 5000 pi into e raised to minus 1 upon 5000 x minus 75 whole square.
1 upon 5000.
Yes.
You written 5.
Now we want to convert into this order. First of all, in 5000 if I separate out 2, can I write it as 1 upon square root of 2500 into 2 pi? So at least 2 pi is obtained. Any confusion? Into e raised to, again here I want 2. So can I write minus 1 by 2 into x minus 75 square upon 2500? So 2500 into 2 becomes 5000. Write down fast. Raise your hand who did not understand this step. All are clear with this? First we need 2. So instead of 5000 I have written 2500 into 2. Here also we need 2. So instead of 5000 I have written 2 into 2500. Now only 2 pi will remain in the square root. If we take 2500 outside 50, what is square root of 2500? 50. So if you take 2500 outside the square root, then it becomes 50. Did you understand this? Into e raised to minus 1 by 2. Again 2500, if I express in square, then it is 50 square. So x minus 75 upon 50 whole square. Instead of writing 2550 whole square. Now if you compare the two equations, you can say mu is 75 and sigma is 50. Did you understand this, everyone? Therefore, mu is 75 and sigma is 50. Any doubts? Now first, P of 60 less than equal to x less than equal to x2 is 0.5670. We have to find the value of x2. First of all, x1 we know is 60. So z1 is x1 minus mu upon sigma. 60 minus 75 upon 50 minus 0.3. Z1 is x1 60 minus mu 75 upon sigma 50 minus 0.3. Now rewrite this. P 60 less than equal to x less than equal to x2 0.5670 in terms of z. P minus 0.3 less than equal to z less than equal to z2 is 0.5670. Any doubt in this? x60 z minus 0.3. x2 becomes z2. Right, everyone? Now we know that minus 0.3 will always come on the left side. Z2 in one diagram we take on the right side, and in another diagram we take Z2 on the left side. Minus 0.3 in any of the situations will come on the left side. In one diagram Z2 on the right side, in one diagram Z2 on the left side. Shading is to be done between minus 0.3 and Z2. This area is given as 0.5670. Now before we decide which diagram is correct, first we need to find the area from 0 to 0.3. If you see in the table, 0 to 0.3 is 1179. All of you see in the table, do you get 1179? Means this area is 1179. Here also, this area is 1179. Okay, 0 to 0.3. Second is not possible, because if this area is 0.1179, this should be less than 0.1179. So 5670 is not possible. And the first diagram, shading on two sides means it's the sum of minus 0.3 less than z less than 0 plus 0 less than z less than z2, that is 0.5670. Now from the table we obtained that minus 0.3 to 0 is 1179. 1179 on the right side will become minus 4491. Now table values, area and z. 4491 comes between 4484 and 4495. 4484 corresponds to 1.63 and 1.64 the other one. Do you all get this?
Yes.
Average 0.4490 and 1.635. This is the nearest to 91. And it's on the right side, so positive. So Z2 is 1.635. Now Z2 equals to x2 minus mu upon sigma. 1.635 equals to x2 minus 75 upon 50. What is 50 into 1.635? 81.75 x2 minus 75. Minus 75 on the left side becomes plus
156.75.
x2 is 156.75. So first answer is done. Did you all understand this? Now second, P of x1 less than equal to x less than equal to 125 is equal to 0.3979. First of all, at x2 equals to 125, z2 equals to x2 minus mu upon sigma. 125 minus 75 upon 50, that is 1. Now we will write that again. P of x1 less than equal to x less than equal to 125 is 0.3979 in terms of z. P of z1 less than equal to z less than equal to 1 is 0.3979. One will always come on the right side. In one diagram we can take z1 on the right side. And in another diagram we can take z1 on the left side. One will always come on the right. We need to do shading between z1 and 1. This area is given as 3979. Now first we'll find 0 to 1, which is 3413. Okay, 0 to 1 is 3413. So first one is not possible, because if this is 3413, then this should be less than 3413, so 3979 is not possible. But if this is 3413, this should be more than 3413, and 3979 is more than 3413. And the second diagram, two sides shading means sum of areas. z1 less than z less than 0 plus 0 less than z less than 1 is 3979. Now 0 to 1 we know is 3413. Yes, Amruta, what happened? Any confusions? 3413 on the right side will become minus 0566. Okay, table values. Area and z. 0566 comes between 0557 and 96. Zero 0557 0596. 0557 corresponds to 0.14 or 13 and 0.15 average
0.0577
and 0.145. But closest to 566 is 557. 557 is the resistance of 9, whereas 77 against 66 is 11. So closest is 557. Left side means it's negative. So Z1 is minus 0.14. Now Z1 is equal to x1 minus mu upon sigma. So Z1 minus 0.14 equals to x1 minus 75 mu upon sigma 50 that we obtained in the beginning, minus 7. 50 into 0.14 will be 7. Minus 75 on the left side becomes plus. So 68. 75 minus 7, x1 will be equal to 68. Understood this? Now third sub question. No one should be talking in between. Third one, market importance, a different one. We will find P modulus x minus 50 less than equal to 10. Now listen everyone. Modulus means it includes positive only. So if I remove the modulus, then can I say values can come between minus 10 and plus 10? Suppose x is 55. What is 55 minus 50? Is 5 less than equal to 10? So is 55 allowed? Yes. And what would be 55 minus 50? 5. Suppose x is 45. What is 45 minus 50? Minus 5, but modulus? So is that also less than equal to 10 or not? But if I remove the modulus, then it's minus 5. Means the values can come between minus 10 and plus 10. If you remove this modulus sign, means you can express it as minus 10 less than equal to x minus 50 less than equal to 10. If modulus sign is removed. If modulus is less than equal to 10, then without the modulus, your answer will be between minus 10 and plus 10. It can be negative also, and it can be positive also. In negative, it can be between 0 to minus 10, and in positive, it will be between 0 to 10. Now, I need to convert it in this sort of thing, where in between there is only x. If I want only x in between, then I need to cancel this minus 50. How do I cancel minus 50? By doing plus 50. But then I have to do plus 50 in all the three places, so that the equation remains same. So here also I add 50 on the first value. Here also I add 50 in the second value. Here also I add 50 in the third value. Now it becomes, what is 50 minus 10? Minus 50 plus 50? Cancel. What is 10 plus 50? No, it's a direct question. We have to find probability that x is between 40 and 60. Then modulus of x minus 50 will always be less than 10. Take any values between 40 and 60. Say 42. What is 42 minus 50? But modulus, is it less than 10 or not? Take near to 60, 59. 59 minus 50? Is it less than 10 or not? But if you take less than 40 or more than 60, it will not be fulfilled. Like suppose you take 35. Then what is 35 minus 50? 15. That comes more than 10. So x cannot be less than 40 and it cannot be more than 60. X must be between 40 and 60 to fulfill this condition. Okay, so we have to simplify these steps. I repeat it once again. Modulus x minus 50, if you remove modulus, then answer can go till plus 10 as well as minus 10. Okay. If you remove the modulus, then plus 10 is also included, minus 10 is also included. Now, since we need to express it in a way that in between we get only x. So to cancel minus 50, I add 50. But then plus 50 is to be done in all the three places. So here also you add 50, here also you add 50, here also you add 50. Resultantly you get 40 less than equal to x less than equal to 60. Right now. Did everyone understand this simplification? Now it's a direct question. At x1 equals to 40 and x2 equals to 60, z1 is x1 minus mu upon sigma, 40 minus 75 upon 50, minus 0.7. z2 is x2 minus mu upon sigma, 60 minus 75 upon 50, minus 0.3. So P of 40 less than equal to x less than equal to 60 equals to P of minus 0.7 less than equal to z less than equal to minus 0.3. Direct question, only one diagram. Minus 0.7 on the left side, also minus 0.3 on the left side. In between area is what we need. Now one side shading means difference of these two regions. Which two regions? Minus 0.7 less than equal to z less than equal to 0, minus P of minus 0.3 less than equal to z less than equal to 0. Difference of these two regions will be our shaded area. 0 to 0.7 in the table comes to 2580
Yes.
minus 0 to 0.3 is 1179
Yes. 0.140.
so 0.140. This is the third answer. Did you all understand this? So probability that modulus x minus 50 is less than 10 would be 0.14. Look at question number 8. Pay attention. Keep silence, everyone. A normal variable x has the following probability density function. First again write down the actual function. Write down. Function of normal distribution is given by 1 upon sigma root 2 pi e raised to minus 1 by 2 x minus mu upon sigma whole square. Now, what function is given to you? Write down that fx equals to constant into e raised to minus 1 by 200 x minus 50 whole square. First of all, simplifying it, we need mu and sigma. Constant, keep it constant. Can mu and sigma be obtained from this also or not?
Yes.
So even if this is not there, it doesn't make any difference. Constant into e raised to. Now pay attention. We need 2. So for 200, if we need 2, then what will come on the right side? 100. Minus 1 by 2 into x minus 50 whole square upon 100. So constant into e raised to minus 1 by 2. Now, here we need sigma square. So 100 is the square of 10. Means we can write it as x minus 50 upon 10 whole square. So 10 square would give 100. Now, mu is 50 and sigma is 10. We can write this portion also 1 upon 10 root 2 pi, but no need to waste time on that. Our purpose is getting mu and sigma, that we get from here 50 and 10. So mu equals to 50, sigma equals to 10. Anyone having any doubt in this? Now, find the median. In a symmetrical and normal distribution, mean, median, mode, all are same. So if we find mean, is that itself median or not?
Yes.
Simply write down median equals to mu equals to 50. Over. Understood that first answer? Now, find the estimated values of extreme quartiles. We are done in the property. Q1 is mu minus 0.675 sigma. Okay, we are done in the properties. So 50 minus 0.675 into 10. 50 minus 6.75, 43.25. And in the same way, Q3, mu plus 0.675 sigma, 50 plus 0.675 into 10, 50 plus 6.75, 56.75. Third question. Find the approximate value of quartile deviation. Quartile deviation equals to 2 by 3 sigma, 2 by 3 into 10, 6.67. Do you all remember this property also? And last, mean deviation, 4 by 5 sigma, 4 by 5 into 10, 8. Understood this question, everyone? Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Now, section C. Page 134. I am doing only the practical questions. Theory questions in this chapter are quite easy. Question 7. Section C, question 7. We read it. A normal variable x has the following density function. Question asks this first quartile. First of all, again we need mu and sigma. So write down same thing. Function of normal distribution is given by 1 upon sigma root 2 pi into e raised to minus 1 by 2x minus mu upon sigma whole square. Now here fx is given as constant. So again same thing. Constant is not needed only, because even from the power of e we can find mu and sigma. You are given e raised to minus 1 by 50 x minus 10 square. First of all 50, if you take 2 common, then what will we get? 25. Around constant into e raised to minus 1 by 2, then x minus 10 whole square upon 25. Now 25 is the square of 5. So constant into e raised to minus 1 by 2 x minus 10 upon 5 whole square. Now what is mu? 10. And what is sigma? 5. Therefore mu is equal to 10 and sigma is equal to 5. Any confusion in this? Did you all understand up till here? Now it is asked is first quartile from this information. What is the formula of first quartile? Mu minus 0.675 sigma. Okay, first quartile is mu minus 0.675 sigma. Mu is 10 minus 0.675 into sigma is 5. 0.675 into 5 is 3.375. So 6.625. Okay, Q1 comes to 6.625. I know I am going too fast, so if anyone is not clear, then voluntarily raise hand and clarify the doubts. Everyone is clear up till here? Completed? Anyone having any doubt in this? Anyone still writing up till here? Look at question 8. The extreme quartiles of a normal variable are 10 and 30, means Q1 is 10 and Q3 is 30. Find its mean deviation. Now see, mean deviation's formula is 4 by 5 sigma. Mean deviation is 4 by 5 sigma, but we need sigma for that. We'll make the two equations and find sigma. Like Q1 is mu minus 0.75 sigma. So 10 is mu minus 0.675 sigma, mark it as 1. Any confusions?
Can we do QD Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2 is equal to 2 by 3?
Just 1 minute. Yes?
I did this down by doing Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 sigma.
There also you'll get QD, then you'll find sigma, and then you'll find mean deviation. And that way also it can be done. Yes, now Q3 is equal to mu plus 0.675 sigma. 30 equals to mu plus 0.675 sigma, mark it as 2. Now I told you always do bigger minus smaller. So subtracting 1 from 2 will get 30 equals to mu plus 0.675 sigma and 10 equals to mu minus 0.675 sigma. The signs will change. Did you understand this? What is 30 minus 10? Mu minus mu. Cancel. 0.675 plus 0.675. So sigma is 20 upon 1.35.
14.81.
14.81. Any confusions in this? Now mean deviation can be obtained. 4 by 5 sigma. 4 by 5 into 14.81. 11.85. Did you understand this? See, the other way was what Parikh was saying is also correct. First find QD. Listen everyone. QD is Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. Now QD is also equal to 2 upon 3. So whatever value of QD you get, equating with 2 by 3 sigma, you will obtain sigma. Once you get sigma, you can find MD. Both the ways it is correct. Okay. Now question number 9. Yes. Yes, be attended. Question 9. For a normal variable, mean deviation is head on 48. Then third quartile is 120. Estimate its first quartile. Now be attended. First of all, from mean deviations formula we find sigma. And mean deviation equals to 4 by 5 sigma. 48 equals to 4 by 5 sigma. Sigma will be 48 into 5 by 460. 5 on the other side will get multiplied. 4 on the other side will get divided. So 48 into 5 by 4. Now from this sigma, can we find quartile deviation?
Yes.
QD is equal to 2 by 3 sigma. 2 by 3 into 60, that is 40.
Yes.
Any doubts in this? Now QD is also Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. So can you get Q1 or not? Q1 is what is asked. QD is Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. 40 equals to Q3 120 minus Q1 upon 2. 40 into 2, 80. 120 minus Q1. Minus Q1 on the left becomes plus. 80 on the right becomes minus. Q1 is 40. Did you understand this ninth question, everyone? Completed, everyone?
Yes.
Anyone having any doubts in it? Raise your hand who is still solving it. So look at question 10. A normal variable has the probability density function. So first you have to find mu and sigma. Write down. Function of normal distribution is given by one upon sigma root 2 pi e minus 1 by 2 x minus mu upon sigma whole square. That is equal to. Now here function is given as 1 upon 10 root 2 pi into e raised to minus 1 by 2 x minus 100 upon 10 whole square. It's already exactly similar function. We don't have to simplify that. Directly if you compare the two functions, then mu is 100 and sigma is 10. Do you all get this? So therefore mu equals to 100 and sigma equals to 10. Now what is asked? For this distribution obtain the limits which include middle 68.26% of observations. Did everyone write up till here?
Yes.
Let x1 to x2, limits means we discussed earlier x1 to x2. Let x1 to x2 be the limits of middle 68.26% observations. So P x1 less than equal to x less than equal to x2 equals to 68.26 upon 100, 0.6826 means P z1 less than equal to z less than equal to z2 is 0.6826. Now middlemost observations, if you remember, only one diagram will come. Who is speaking in between? Z1 will take on the left side, Z2 will take on the right side. Between Z1 and Z2 is 6826. So I told you each of the area 6826 divided by 2, 0.3413, which we remember is 1. So no need of even average. Okay, in the table 3413 corresponds to 1, means this is minus 1 and this is 1. So Z1 is minus 1 and Z2 is 1. Applying the Z1 and Z2's formula, we can get x1 and x2. Z1 equals to x1 minus mu upon sigma, minus 1 equals to x1 minus 100 upon 10. Mu is 100 and sigma is 10. Minus 1 into 10 minus 10. Minus 100 on the left becomes plus 100 minus 10, 90. Z2 equals to x2 minus mu upon sigma. 1 equals to x2 minus 100 upon 10. 10 into 1 is 10. Minus 100 on the left becomes plus. So x2 is 100 plus 10, 110. Means the limits are 90 to 110. Did you all understand this? Anyone having any doubt up till here? Thus, the limits of middle 68.26% observations is 90 to 110. Question 11. There is a first reverse situation I made you write. It's a very simple one. The probability that the value of standard normal variable lies between 0 and z1 means, can I write it this way? Probability that it lies between 0 and z1 means p0 less than z less than z1 is 4950. No need of any diagram. It's already from 0. Directly we have to see the three table values. It's already from 0, so directly table values, area and z. (4950) comes in between 4949 and 4951. That corresponds to 2.57 and 2.58. Average is 4950 and 2.575. Exactly, we got 4950. Means Z1 is 2.575. That's it. Z1 is only asked. Find the possible values of Z score. So it can be negative or it can be positive. Okay? It could be plus or minus. Anyone having any doubt in this? See, in the question, it's not given 0 less than Z less than Z1. It is simply given between 0 and Z1. So it can be between 0 and Z1 on the right side as well as between 0 and Z1 on the left side. So it can be plus 2.575 or minus 2.57. Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, section B. Question 8 onwards. Yes, silence. Question number 8. What percentage of area is covered under the normal curve with range mu plus minus 2 sigma? We studied the property also, and 2 means the value is 4772. So 4772's double area 9545. Directly we do that. And on the area within the range mu minus 2 sigma and mu plus 2 sigma is 0.9545. Page 109 you'll find it in the properties.
But it is asking percentage.
So 95.45%. Is everyone clear with this? Then question 9. Mean of a normal distribution is 13.25 and its standard deviation is 10. Estimate the value of third quartile. Q3 equals to mu plus 0.675 sigma, 13.25 plus 0.675 into 10, 13.25 plus 6.75 20. Did you understand this, everyone? Who are writing it still? Question 10. For a normal distribution having mean equals to 10 and standard deviation equals to 6, estimate the value of quartile deviation. QD is 2 by 3 sigma. 2 by 3 into 6, 4. Mean is not needed only. Did everyone understand this? Who have obtained Q1 and Q3? No need to do that much of labor, okay? Next. Yes, silence. 11th. The approximate value. Shh. We need to finish it today, so don't talk and waste time in between. The approximate value of mean deviation for a normal distribution is 8. That is MD equals to 8. Find its standard deviation. So mean deviation is 4 by 5 sigma. Means 8 equals to 4 by 5 sigma. Sigma would be 8 into 5 by 4. That is 10. 5 on the other side will get multiplied and 4 on the other side will get divided. So 8 into 5 divided by 4. Question 12. For a normal distribution, the estimated value of quartile deviation is 12. Find the value of its standard deviation. Now quartile deviation is 2 by 3 sigma. So 12 equals to 2 by 3 sigma. Sigma is 12 into 3, 36 divided by 2, 18. Okay, 3 on the other side will get multiplied. 2 on the other side will get divided. Able to understand it? Question 13. It's continued on the next page. Question 13. For a probability distribution of, and the word standard. Standard normal variable means X or Z? Z. State the limits for middle 50% observations. Write down, let limits means Z1 to Z2. That's why I asked you in the beginning, what is standard? Z. Here mu and sigma are not given. Only Z1 and Z2 is to be obtained. Let Z1 and Z2 be the limits of middle 50% observations. So PZ1 less than equal to Z less than equal to Z2 will be 50 upon 100, 0.5. Z1 on the left side, Z2 on the right side. Between Z1 and Z2, the area is 0.5. Means each area will be, who's talking in between? .5 divided by 2.25. 25 means 2500. Table values. Area and Z. 2500 comes between 2486 and 2518. 0.67 and 0.68. Average 2502. For quartiles we have done it many times. And 0.675. Nearest is 2502. But Z1 will be minus 0.675. Z2 will be plus 0.675. So, limits are obtained. Did you understand this, everyone? Thus, the limits of middle 50% observations of standard normal variable is minus 0.675 to 0.675. 14. The extreme quartiles of a normal distribution at 20 and 30. Q1 is 20 and Q3 is 30. Find its mean. Now, in a normal distribution, mean, median, mode all are equal. So we find median Q3 plus Q1 divided by 2 using one of the properties, and that itself would be mean. So median equals to Q3 plus Q1 upon 2. 30 plus 20 upon 2, 25. Mean equals to median. Did you understand this? Question 15. The monthly expense. 15 is very tricky question, mark it important for 1 mark. The monthly expense of a group of person follows normal distribution with mean 10,000 and a mu 10,000 and standard deviation 1000 and on sigma 1000. A student has obtained a Z score of rupee 1 and then rupee 1. He has obtained Z as 1. For randomly selected person having monthly expense of more than 11,000, means can I say X is 11,000? Is this calculation of Z score true? Z equals to X minus mu upon sigma. 11,000 minus 10,000 upon 1,000. 1. He has obtained Z as rupees 1. Is that true? No. Because Z is independent of units of measurement. Rupees makes it wrong. We have never written in Z rupees, liters, meters, kgs. We have never written that. Whatever is the actual value of X. Z is just a pure number. So calculation of Z1 is correct, but rupees 1 is wrong. Did you understand this? So as I said, very tricky question. You also obtain that answer, but still it is wrong. So write down, the given calculation rupees 1 is wrong because Z is independent of units of measurement. Understood that? Z is independent of units of measurement. So rupees, circle that. Rupees makes it wrong. The age of group of persons follows normal distribution with mean 45 years, read on mu 45 and standard deviation 10 years, sigma 10. Calculate Z score for a randomly selected person having age 60. X is 60. Only Z is to be obtained. Z is equal to X minus mu upon sigma. 60 minus 45 upon 10, 1.5. understood that? 17th. Marks obtained by students of a school in economics subject follows normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma. The value of Z score that a randomly selected student obtained 60 marks. 60 marks means X is 60 and he obtained the Z score is 1 means Z is 1. For 60 marks, he obtained the Z score as 1. Did you understand this? If its variance is 100 means sigma square is 100. So sigma would be square root of 100, that is 10. Then find the average marks means mu